My friends, I have found a very affordable Amazon dropshipping course for only $7, and I wanted to share it with you, but keep in mind, this is a Turkish dropshipping course. If you know Turkish, the course is really packed with value. It includes more than 500 video lessons. And it doesn't stop at Amazon dropshipping. There are also trainings on Amazon FBA, eBay dropshipping, Etsy dropshipping, and many more e-commerce topics, as you can see on the screen. Knowledge is power, and this course gives you plenty of it. The best part is, with this one-time payment, you don't just get Amazon dropshipping, you get access to a whole library of e-commerce trainings. One decision today can change the direction of your tomorrow. It's an online course and access is super easy, you get in right after payment. The course has also received positive reviews, and on the earnings proof page you can even see real feedback from students who have already achieved results. Real success leaves real proof. As I said, if you know Turkish, it's an ideal course. You can also send it to a friend who speaks Turkish. Sharing knowledge is the fastest way to grow together, and as you can see, they are running a campaign right now. The regular price was listed as $29, so even at the old price it was still very cheap. Opportunities don't wait forever, sometimes you just need to grab them. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world and keeps me motivated to share more valuable content with you. Have a great day.